Ashley. His life is Lauren 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 Ashley.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a everyday makeup tutorial, how to get glowy, dewy skin every day, girl. So if you want to see my everyday makeup tutorial, make sure to keep watching. You guys, I'm so excited because today I am finally using my new camera. I got the Sony a6400. I will be doing a review on it, so yeah. So if I look a little crazy, it's because I'm getting used to this camera, but I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. It's like the best brow stuff that I hope you guys have noticed as of recently, I've been posting a lot more videos, okay? Your girl has so many things in store, so many reviews and stuff like that. I'm like super excited. guys, so this is our finished look. I hope you like it. Now once again, this whole look really was centered around this Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15. I love this stuff for every day. You can barely tell it's on. It's basically like tinted lotion. But yeah, it helps your skin looks all glowy. You don't look like you have on a full face of makeup. You just look like you have good skin. That's what we want. And even better, this helps to hydrate your skin while you're wearing it, because it's not just makeup, it actually helps your skin. So I absolutely love this stuff, and I have really oily skin, and my skin tends to not look too oily when I wear it. Instead, I just feel like I'm glowing and dewy, and I love it. Now this is like light to medium coverage, so I do it's more like light coverage, go over, as you saw, on like my little dark marks and stuff with my NARS concealer. But y'all, my NARS concealer blends out really well with this. You want to go ahead on and put your concealer on after this, because this will kind of take it off if you do it vice versa. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, well, this little, yeah, everyday glowy skin makeup tutorial. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you follow me on social media at LifeAsLaurenAsh, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Ice hit the drip from the new walk when she on the, and I walk with it. Not sweat, not walk with it. It's a life with Lauren Ashley. It's the life with Lauren Ashley. It's the